How to create communication templates on TFY's platform. Creating communication templates on TFY's platform is straightforward. Begin by selecting the Settings option from the left-hand side navigation panel, then scroll to locate Communication Templates. TFY provides default communication templates that can be used for automated interactions with contractors or candidates. Additionally, TFY offers the flexibility to create personalized communication templates. To create a personalized template, click on New Email Template. Assign a memorable name to your template for easy future reference, and then select the relevant app type where this communication template will be applied. In this instance, we will select ATS. Upon selecting Create a Template, you will be promptly redirected to a blank board. Click on Edit to begin customizing the various fields of this communication template. For instance, if you wish to personalize the email subject for each candidate, choose Member Name, followed by We have received your application. It's that straightforward. You can similarly adjust the remaining details. Simply type @ and choose the desired variable to display in any of these fields. Click on Save Changes to confirm your updates. Next, we will customize the header image to tailor this email for our candidates. We will utilize one of our standard images. Click on Save Changes. You may also add text as desired. We can further modify this within the block. We have received your application. Additionally, as an editor, you can apply formatting options such as italics, bold, strikethrough, and even create hyperlinks such as giving link to your website or to your careers page showcasing your company's culture. Here we shall provide the link to our website. Select Save Changes to finalize your settings. The template is now updated. Optionally, you can add a footer image to complement the header. If you are prepared to proceed, you can access your pipeline and consider utilizing your templates within these pipelines. Simply select the template you have just created. For instance, you can choose the acknowledgement template, eliminating the need to manually input the email. The email will be personalized for all the candidates, thereby creating a delight in their application experience with your organization. This approach simplifies the process for the HR directors and recruiters. I trust this information has been beneficial. Thank you.